drink with responsibility. Subscribe, Miku Play.
Hello, I'm Miku and I'm not looking for excuse, guys. Something changing in my life and I don't have time for posting any kind of video, but we're starting back with our summer cocktails recipes, and I have here blood orange. So let's do it. Blood orange mojito. How is guys the summer all the time? Sun outside, hot, everything nice. To the beach, you can have mojito. You're sitting on a barbecue with your friends. Of course, the boys, we are going to drink some beers, right? I have here Corona also. I'm not sponsored by the Corona, but anyway, I buy it for me. And what about the ladies? What about the people who don't like some other stuff? The mojito is very fresh, very nice cocktail, and it's, I don't know, it's working all the time. I like it, I love it. So I will do it right now for you guys. This part of, I will show you what is this. Orange, blood orange, or orange sanguine in Spanish. Guys, it's temporary. In this, this is how it looks, and this is how it looks. I think in April and May, this is appearing, this bloody orange around the world, and for the European guys you will find it in Mega Image, and for who's staying in the US you will find it in Super Fresh. And let's start this drink. Glasses, squeeze a lime a little bit, and I will cut it this part over here, okay, and after that from here again cut it 4 pieces inside of the glass. Very nice, very easy. Come behind with the mint, and we are going to start to take some mint over here outside. And what is happening, guys, here? You see this part? This is too bitter. I will use only, of course, let's make a smash because give it more flavor if we are smash it. Mint, I think it's enough of this mint here around inside of the glasses. Anyway, I like the mint, it's giving a nice flavor and smell, and I love it. I put it a lot of mint anyway, but it's very, very, very nice. Now what I will do, I will come behind with some simple syrup, and you can use also sugar, but simple syrup looks much better. This bloody orange is a little bit bitter and sweetness, so I will use around 40 milliliters of simple syrup just for sweetness, and that's it. Let's see how it looks, our bloody orange. This is how it looks, guys. Look here. Let me show you much better. Now, look here. This is the, where I put it? Blood orange. I have 2 boxes because I like it a lot. I will take it out, maybe not everything because this is bitter. Too much bitter. I will put only the orange inside here, and the second one you will see what I will do with that part later on. Okay, this is our orange, or almost fill the glass, but it's a but. Let's molder it here and give it a nice juices, mint and lime flavor with a little bit of sweetness. Amazing color, amazing smell around here, very nice. Now I will fill it, the glass, with some ice. You can use smashed ice, you can use normal ice. I use it all of type of ice, not important. The idea is to put here some ice. Okay. I will drink it, no worry, don't worry. I use my hands. Now, I will use, because it's bloody and blood and everything, I will use a dark rum, not a white rum like normal for the mojito. And this is how I like it. You can use the white one. Now I will come here with 50 milliliters. Here we go. I think it's enough rum here, because it's dark rum, powerful and nice. What you will do now, guys, you are just need to stir a little bit like this, or just to make it around everything with this flavor. Okay, here we go. Fill it more with another ice. Like I say, just try to use the small part of the ice, not the biggers. I think it's enough ice. That's it. Come behind with some Sprite. I use the Sprite. Normally you can use soda water, but I like the Sprite, and I use it Sprite. Come on, come on, come on. Of course you need to garnish with some mint, and let's take our mint, something like this. Bad boy. Smash it so you can give the flavor. Put them in here inside. Come in with another orange slice. You can put the orange wheeled like this, or you can cut the orange like this and try to put it here inside, and this is how it looks. Very nice. Use one of these and taste it. Nice. Wow, very nice, very fresh. The taste of this bloody orange, it's amazing, and it's very nice. If you don't find it, use just orange. You can use just the orange normal and it's fine. I like this part. I like this, the good taste of this one, and I like the mojito. Really, guys, this time I make it very good. Until my next video, stay cool. We will come behind with some videos regarding about what is happening around here in Latin America for you. Just advice it, some story moments, and another video why I'm speaking in English in my video, another one with some Russian, another videos of cocktails. And guys, until my next video, stay cool and drink some mojito. It's very nice. Okay, I will show you from. Let me leave this one here so I can show you from for closer. So this one. Okay, let's have a look by close this cocktail and amazing blood orange mojito. Until my next video, stay cool. Bye, guys.